Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello fellas, welcome to the Innovation and Organizational Development Laboratory. On this occasion, we will discuss the case study in Design Thinking module. After you have watched the video of the 5 stages of design thinking, then we will proceed to the case study stage. In this case study, we take the example of the Gojek company. For the first stage of the design thinking case study, namely the empathize stage. Empathy is a stage to gain an empathic understanding through the problems to be solved. Like Gojek, which understand to the situation and condition of problems regarding congestion and creates transportation solution, which begins by instilling empathy for every community's anxiety and providing alternative solution to create transportation that is following people's expectation. Therefore, to explain the problems that are being faced by Gojek customer while using Gojek company services, we can enter them into the context table. These context tables describe the problems faced by Mr. Nadiem Makarim as the founder of Gojek company. He said, "I used to take an object everywhere because if I took a car, it would not arrive. I think many people did not believe that object could work professionally. This is quite frustrating because for me, I also have to know exactly what object drivers in Indonesia. After knowing the problems that are being faced by customer, then we can solve the problems that are being faced by Gojek customer as a goal by entering into the objective table, namely making motorcycle taxis or ojek to be more recognized as reliable public transportation. Then we can conduct interviews with customers to find out the situation they are currently facing by using help of cue cards to make it easier for us when conducting interviews, which later the result of interview will be entered into the need-to-do table, pain table, and gain table. First, we will conduct interviews to determine the need-to-do in the form of problems that are currently or have been experienced by customer. For example, we can conduct interviews with customer. Then we determine the interviews with the customer to determine pain in the form of everything painful that is felt by customer. For example, we can conduct an interview with the customer. We can ask like, what is annoying thing when you are using motorcycle taxis or ojek service? Then we can fill in the table of pain felt by customer, such as the number of vehicle increasing or when the active hours Gojek are not appeared and the uncertain fare for motorcycle taxis or ojek. Then we can conduct interviews with customer to determine the gain in the form of desires that are desired but not have been achieved until now. For example, we can conduct interviews with customer such as, what do you expect when you use motorcycle taxi service? Then we can fill in the answers to this question into the gain table, such as the presence of traffic-free road condition, wanting to get their destination on time and appropriate and transparent ojek fares. After understanding the empathize stage, then we will proceed to the define stage. Define is the stage of determining the problem to be solved through the information collected in previous stage. For example, in our case study, we will look at the startup Gojek. The characteristic of the Gojek service must be able to fulfill the expectation and wants of customers obtained during the empathize stage. After that, Gojek did define stage by identifying various elements that could answer this question by positioning themselves as end users. From the result of the problems obtained at the empathize stage, it can be concluded that the use of conventional motorcycle taxis is that customers must come to the motorcycle's taxi base. Ideation case study. For example, the existence of Gojek is increasingly attached to everyday life. Gojek idea came from Gojek founder Nadiem Makarim. Annoyance about Jakarta's traffic jams, non-transparent Gojek prices, and difficulty finding drivers. In conjunction with the idea stage, he has applied the bingo selection method. Nadiem formed a team to create a one-handed application by pocketing many features from experience and several stakeholders, including motorcycle taxi driver or ojek drivers. So the idea is, what if we take the fastest motorized vehicle and make them not only mobilize people, but also have the potential to move goods in the fastest way, and provide digital payment features to make transactions easier. That's the basis behind Gojek. 2 wheels are more faster than 4 wheels. In this case study is a prototype from the Gojek company. And the end outcome at this stage is the design team will have a new, better ideas related to the obstacles found. In making prototype on the Gojek application, there are several things that need to be prepared, including the following. First, web administrator, which is used to perform various data processing on the server such as driver data, user data, transaction data, promotions, and others. Second is Android application for drivers, which is used to receive orders. And third, Android application for users, which is used to order Gojek services. For an illustration, for example on the Gojek application, which has been established since 2010, Gojek created an application that was initially only a call center for conventional motorcycle taxi providers or ojek, which consists of 20 drivers. With the addition of new features such as GoFood, GoMart, GoBox, and many more. This is the result of the prototype stage, which functions to find problems with users and then add innovation to existing features or add new features to this application. For the last case study, as an illustration, Gojek has created a platform or application that is made to facilitate the community in their daily activities, such as transportation, culinary activities, and other activities. With the creation of the Gojek application, an assessment is carried out as to whether Gojek application has a good impact on all areas of life. Therefore, a test stage was carried out to determine for sure the positive and negative impacts of the Gojek application. Stages of the test can be done by interview, giving questionnaire, and experimenting with Gojek application users to the respondent. The output at this stage is done to find out whether the idea created is in accordance with the wishes and to find out how much benefit the idea has been created. So many explanations from the case study stage. If you have questions, you can ask during the practicum. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Innovation is not hard to imagine.